batter may take several hours, so you may want to move it over the night before you plan to use it. Avoid thawing the cheesecake leftovers at room temperature. How long can you freeze cheesecake? When properly stored, both cheesecake batter and baked cheesecake can last 2 to 3 months in the freezer. When freezing a baked cheesecake, wrap it tightly in aluminum foil or plastic wrap. For best results, you can wrap it in a layer of plastic wrap followed by a layer of aluminum foil, which will help prevent freezer burn. Leftover cheesecake recipes. If you don't have enough cheesecake batter to make another cheesecake, there are plenty of other amazing recipes you can make with it. Each one is as delicious as the next, and they are all great for serving at parties. All of these following recipes are sure to be a hit with your loved ones. Cheesecake brownies. Cheesecake brownies are a popular dessert. They combine fudgy, chocolatey brownies with rich, creamy cheesecake to make the ultimate dessert. You can't go wrong with this mouth-watering combination. After pouring the brownie batter into the pan, pour the cheesecake batter on top. Gently use a skewer or knife to swirl the cheesecake into the brownies. Once swirled, bake your brownies as instructed. Any leftover brownies should be kept in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Mini cheesecakes. Mini cheesecakes are a fun and delicious dessert that is great for toppings. They are a great way to put any leftover batter to use. For mini cheesecakes, line a greased muffin tin with your cheesecake crusts, or use cupcake liners, and then add your crusts. You can use crushed graham crackers, Oreos, or ginger snaps for your crusts. Bake the crusts in the oven for 5 minutes, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the crusts are baked, pour in your cheesecake batter. Then, make them for 18 to 20 minutes and allow them to cool. Once cool, let the mini cheesecakes set in your fridge for at least 2 hours. After they are set, you can add your favorite toppings such as ganache, strawberry sauce, lemon curd, or caramel sauce and store leftovers in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.